So here at Ecology we are having an eco-lodge, which is made up of houses that are built in lots of different natural building styles. Rammed earth, bamboo wattle and daub, also soil stabilized bricks that we make here on the ground, stone masonry, all kind of things that we can derive from the nature where we are, and we're promoting that in different areas of Malawi with different communities depending on what they have in their environment. We're also running agricultural trainings and permaculture landscaping trainings related to all things organic farming. So from actually soil health re-establishment to working with pests in a natural way, to making systems integrated again in a way that we can get away from the ongoing dependency on inputs, and working with soil microbiology to inoculate life back into the soil rather than just looking at feeding the plants. We're looking at feeding the soil. For that we teach people worm farming, composting in a really aerobic, good way that also promotes the microbiology, and also a lot of different techniques of companion planting, pest control in integrated ways, actually trusting the design of the nature and the way that God put in place different layers and different agents in the ground, in the soil, the earthworms and the microbiology like the fungi, the good beneficial bacteria, the protozoa, the nematodes. They're all there to help us, and we need to unlearn the ways we are doing agriculture in order to learn how to support them to help us again. And we are also teaching people about landscaping and water retention in the landscape so that they can actually become much more resilient. And we're talking a lot about agroforestry as part of systems thinking. So we also get the biomass back into the ground and structure back into our fields to be better protected against the big impacts of climate change and be more resilient in droughts and floods and these kind of ongoing shocks that we are now exposed to, and making people more aware of all the different kind of impacts of their kind of habits that we have now developed in terms of putting in chemicals, tilling the ground, putting microplastics around us and things which are all related to food security and food quality and health on the larger level. So that's what we're trying to inspire people with here. For that we run trainings on the ground here at our site, and we also go into communities where we are called to train people.